If you have a dust collection adapter kit, the first thing you'll want to do is open the dust collection door so that the tool is accessible. Next, you're going to insert the USB drive into the USB port, making sure it's in the upright position. Following that, we want to make sure that the emergency stop is not engaged, so we'll typically push it in and then turn it and release it to make sure that it is not in the engaged position. Next, we'll hit the start button to turn the power on. On the screen, you'll see that it says welcome, enter to continue. We'll push the enter button. The tool is going to move to the back left corner of the table. That is the home position for this machine. All of the iconic CNC machines have the home position in the back left corner. Once it completes the home moving process, it will ask you to double check to ensure that you have a USB drive installed. We'll push enter. We will select the file that we're looking for. From the select file screen, using the down key, we'll move down to the file we're looking for, pushing enter. We go to manual jog mode. In manual jog mode, we will now have the 6 keys activated, the 2X, the 2Y, and the 2Z. By pushing those keys, we will move the tool to the start position or the origin position for this particular project. In the project you see on the screen, the origin position is in the top left corner, so we move it to the top left corner, moving the Z-axis down to touch off the top of the material. And then using the down key, we move down to enter to set origin, making sure we write down those 3 coordinates before we zero them, and then enter to continue. Once the coordinates are zeroed, we're going to hit the back button to go to the next screen. We're going to select the border function. The border function will allow the tool to run the perimeter of the project to ensure that the material size is correct. Once the border function has been completed, we click Process, select the speed that we want to run this project at. In this case, we're picking the custom speed, which is the feed rate has been created in the software. Once we've selected the feed rate, the tool is going to move so that it's directly above the multi-tool Z-axis indexer. The tool is going to wait there for the next command. On the screen, it reads Tool Change Process, check to clean it, which we are going to use the down key to go to yes and select that. Upon doing that, the tool will now descend down and it will touch off the Z-axis indexing button, and then it will move to the center of its travel to make tool change very easy. At that point, the screen will read Change Safety On. We will make sure that we put the safety on, and then we will move our cursor to yes using the down key and push enter. The screen now changes. It says please change tool. In this case, we are using the correct tool because this is the first tool that we are using in our operation. It then asks us to change the safety to the off position. We said yes. Once the safety is off, the tool change can be completed by having the tool come back over to the indexing button. It will descend rather quickly until it gets to the final inch or so of travel. Then it will move very slowly and touch off the top of the button. The machine now knows the length of this tool and it can start the first machining operation. And we're ready to machine.